Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Carson and welcome back to another video on Discord.js version 12 bots. Today in this video I will be teaching you how to make a kick command, and pretty much the same code can be used for a ban command, but within the next week I will also be making videos for a ban and unban command, because I've been getting a lot of suggestions and people wanting these commands, so I'm going to be providing them with you. So the first thing you're going to want to do, I also assume, that you have already made a command handler. If not, you can just copy it here. It's pretty easy, but I've also made a video on that, so you can just check my channel. It's not too far down the list, and you can watch it. It only takes about 5-10 minutes to make, pretty easy. But all you're going to want to do is make a kick.js. And I'm just going to drag that into commands. Then you're going to need to do const discord equals require discord.js, and then let's do module exports equals, open your square brackets, name, you're gonna want to do kick, and let's do description. You're gonna want to have kicks that user from the guild. Guild is just a server, by the way, if you did not know that already. Execute message and arguments, but of course you just write that args for args. Also, just before we get into the rest of the code, I really do appreciate you supporting the videos recently. They've been absolutely insane, and it's really motivating me to make some more, so just getting that out there, by the way. Okay, so now we're going to want to do const prefix and token. Well, you don't really need token, but let's put it in there. Equals require dot slash config.json, and then because that const is just gonna make sure that this kick.js file knows your prefix, basically. Because I'm not going to show because I don't want to have to change the token again, but my token and prefix both in the config.json. Okay, so we're going to do if message dot content dot starts with, now that is a function, so you need to do the brackets, and then you're going to want to click the button to the left of your 1 key. I have no idea what the name for it is. Might be, no, it's not a tilde. I'm honestly not too sure, but just the button to the left of your 1. Then do $, open your curly brackets, prefix, kick, out of your squarely brackets after prefix. So that's just going to check if the message is prefix kick, or it starts with that. Okay, then you're going to want to open your squiggly brackets, obviously. Then do let member equals message dot mentions dot members dot first. Then add it to another function, so open your brackets and then do a semicolon, then do member dot kick, open up your brackets, then come out of them, dot then, open your brackets twice, I think, yes. So open them twice, type member within the second ones, then come out let me check this real quick, because I have confused myself. Yeah. Okay, so come out of where the member one is, and then do an arrow function, so that's an equal sign, then a greater than symbol, and then open up your curly brackets and click enter. Then you're just going to want the right message, channel.send, then member.display name. So we have labeled member up here, so that's message.mentions.member stuff first, and then the plus space has been kicked. Well, that can be fully customizable, but I just do that, and then that should be it. So let's test this out. So we're gonna hold in Control, and then click your at key, or else you can just go up to Run and View Terminal, and then that'll bring up this exact same thing. Then just type in no dot to get your bot up and running. So we're going to come into Discord now. You can see that this bot is online, and I've just added my alt account into here to make sure that everything is working, and we can test out the kick command. So if we do !kick at Carson alt, hopefully it will kick them. It won't, because I have not yet, I forgot a step. I haven't yet put it into our index.js. So how about we do that first? Might help. So let me just, let's see if we can do that right now. Seeing as I am completely dead right now, trying to remember how to do it. So just give me one little second to figure it out. Okay. We need to go into our index.js, and down where we have all these other commands, we can do, I don't want that, here, I believe. Yeah. Okay. So, gonna just want to copy it, and then kick, prefix kick, but we are also going to want to work with permissions now. So this is how you do it. I believe I've done a video on this before, but you'll see. So if you do, you want to have if message dot member dot has permission, then open up brackets and then the square brackets, kick members, or kick underscore members, then come out of all your brackets and open up that. Then we're just going to want to add a finish one at the end. So that's going to make sure that if the person has the permission to actually kick a member, then we're going to want to sorry, what was I going to say? We're going to want to run that code. If not, then we just forget about it. Okay, so now if we do no dot, our bot is going to be online now, as you can see up here again. So if we do !kick at Carson alt, we seem to have had an error. So let's check what this error is. Yeah. So for kick, we didn't use .run. So for different commands, use different things. So you're just going to want to change that .run to .execute and then do no dot again. Now in my videos, I'd prefer to show everything. I don't just cut out all the errors, because I know that this is the reality of programming. You're going to get a lot of errors, so I just like to keep it all in, make sure I'm completely true with you guys. So what actually goes on. So !mark kick, Carson alt. You can see they've been kicked. Now we can completely customize this. So I'm just going to quickly join back on my alt. I need to get myself an invite link. Now you're not going to be able to join this server because it's not going to work. So we can change this and even make it bold if you want. Spelling the stars at the side. Run no dot. And do kick at Carson alt. And there we go, get kicked. So you can pretty much use the exact same code for a ban command, but I will be making another video on that very soon. So I do hope you enjoyed this one, and peace.